Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will basically show you a new tool that I deployed on my website, which is freemediatools.com. So this tool allows you to export all the pages which is present in the PDF document as individual images. So we can export it to PNG images or JPG images according to your code. So I had deployed this tool in Node.js Express, and let me show you the demo of this application. So we will be building this tool in Scratch using Python and Node.js and Express. So here we can choose a PDF file, guys. Let me choose this PDF file which contains some random text out there. It contains two pages. This is the first page. This is the second page. You can have your own PDF file. So let me select this PDF file, and if I basically, this is my tool here, let me select it, and if I click this button here, download images as zip file, so what will happen here, it will have this nice little progress bar. It will upload this image PDF file, and now you can see that it has extracted the images. This is the first image. You will see that this is a PNG image. This is a second image. So it has taken the snapshot of the page number 1 in the PDF document. You will see that the quality of the screenshot, it is looking tremendous. This is a, you can see that. And it has basically wrapped all the images in a zip file so that you can easily download it in the browser. So it's a very tremendous nice tool, guys, that you can deploy it in your own website if you want to convert PDF document into images. So it's a very nice little tool here, you will see that. And we will be building it from scratch in Python. So let's start the tutorial. And so here we can even have multiple different kinds of PDF document. If I say, if I have a table, let's suppose I have a table here. So this table will also be converted to image. So you can see that this PDF contains a table here. This has also converted to an image. So PNG image. We can even have a image based PDF documents as well. So this is now a image based PDF document. So this has also converted very good. You will see that this is actual logo or image. So with the help of this tool, guys, you can convert any PDF document to images and download it as a zip file. So this is actual tool. The link is given in the description of the live tool. You can just check out the demo before purchasing the full script, and also the link of both. You can purchase it at Stripe in Indian rupees, or you can purchase it in United States dollar in PayPal. So according to you, you can make the payment, and after the payment, guys, you will get the directory structure, you will get all the source code, and we will also code it from scratch in this tutorial step by step, and I will explain you what is happening right here. So let's start the tutorial, guys. So I will delete all these files and start from scratch. So first of all, let me delete this. So here, guys, we are using some dependencies out there. First dependency, let me show you what dependencies we are using here. Uh, Let me just rename this. So for this, we are using PyMuPDF library in Python. So you have used this module, guys, which is FITZ. This is module which is present inside Python. There is this library PyMuPDF. This is the library we are using, guys, as a Python module. And the role of this module is, it's a high performance Python library for PDF. And now to install this library, you can easily install it by pip install PyMuPDF, and also we can install the FITS module. So I've already installed it, and now I will write a simple Python script which will actually carry out this process. So you need to save this Python script in this root directory, and this is the actual Python script, guys. We will use it in our tutorial. So I will simply paste it here. So this is the actual Python script which takes the input file. Let me replace it here, sample.pdf. So what I will do here, I will just cut. copy this and paste it here. So we have a PDF file, guys. You will see that table.pdf. And next we need to provide the output folder. So this output folder will all automatically gets created, guys, and the zip file name. This can be output.zip. So these three things that you need to provide, guys, and automatically this Python script will create these three things. So how we can call this Python app.py, that's all. So now you can see that page one is saved as this PNG file and images are saved. So this is a zip file which is created and it contains this single image. You will see that the PDF is converted to an actual PNG image, and the results have been compressed to this output zip file which contains a single image right here. So now we will call this Python script, guys, using execute module method inside our Node.js application. So let's start this building our Node.js application. So we will basically create a npm, just create this npm init dash y. Let me just delete all this stuff. Nothing is present right here. So now we need express module. We also need the Malter module, and that's all I think we need. So these two modules that are needed for this application. This will be installed inside your dependency section. So now just make index.js file, and we will now start our application. So we will say we will require the express module, and we will start this express app on port number 5000. And then, guys, we will say we need to make this public directory. We need to create a public directory, express.use or express.set, what was that, static, sorry, yeah. Express.set static public. So just make a public directory, guys, and here we will make a uploads directory where all your PDF files will be stored. We will also create an index.html file which will load once you make a request. So we will change the title to it, PDF to images. So we will have a heading here, PDF to images. So if you just write this and start your application nodemon index.js, so you will see that basically if I say localhost 5000, your application 5000 express.static we have put as, okay, just wait, guys. This needs to be in the public directory. So let me delete this and yeah, like this. The index.html file needs to be there inside the public directory. So cut it from here and paste it here, like this. So if you now refresh, your file will be shown. Sorry, we need to create it once again. That the file is empty, so you will simply have a h1 tag. So if you just refresh, your file will be shown. So now, guys, what we need to do here is that we need to create a very simple interface. The HTML code is really simple, guys. I have given that code in the description. You can directly purchase it. The code is very simple. We have a progress bar. We're also using some Ajax as well. in JavaScript. Let me summarize the code for you, what is happening here, and then we will write the JavaScript code. So basically, we have this input field where we can upload our PDF file. We have given basically this ID to it so that we can target in Ajax upload input. And then we have this progress bar. If you see guys, we have given the bootstrap class of progress bar. This is a thing. And then we have a simple download button which will actually download the zip file. So we are giving these bootstrap classes guys. If you see, we have also included jQuery code, and this is our JavaScript file. We are hiding the progress bar, we are changing the button text, and also we are changing the progress bar dynamically. So this is the actual validation which is happening. So if user doesn't upload a PDF file, then we will show a error message, please only upload PDF file. And this is, we are uploading it using form data object. We are appending it. We are making first of all this post request guys, which is this $Ajax upload PDF to images. So first of all, we now need to upload this file. So what we can do is that we are making this post request. So now we need to make this post request. So what we can do, app.post upload PDF to images. For this, we will require the Malter library. And the Malter library guys provides you with the storage object where we do need to store our uploaded files. So this is a storage object which comes right here. So this is just a predefined code. We are storing it inside the public/uploads directory inside this directory. So we are providing it, and this is actual file name. And then we will say that PDF to images upload. We will instantiate this Malter, provide the storage with the storage that we defined. And then we will now use this middleware guys. Inside this, we will upload a single file. So single and file. So this is the name attribute that we have given in the index.html. If you see, this is a name attribute. And after this, we will use this middleware in the post request. So PDF to images upload request response. So here guys, we will console log the path of the file which is uploaded, request.file.path. So what it will do guys, basically we have an interface, and let me upload this. So the file will get uploaded, and you will basically get the path here. It is saying path is not defined. Let me just include the libraries first. We also need the file system module, which is a built-in, and also the path module as well. So simply include these two modules. So if you refresh now, so basically now in the console you will get the path of the file which is uploaded guys. You will see that in the path, and if you check in the directory, uploads directory, this PDF file is uploaded. So now what we need to do guys, we simply need to return this in as a JSON response. So we will say that if any sort of error take place, then we will return out. We can simply say here error in uploading file. And if no error take place, in that case we will return out the path, which is request.file.path. So in our client side, we will get the path guys using this response.json. So the text is changed. You will see file uploaded, now processing, and you will get your path right here. You will see that upload successful, public uploads, that's all. And now guys, if you see in the client side index.html JavaScript, if I show you, we are making the second post request guys, which is PDF to images. This time we are passing this path that we got. This object here, if you see data.path, there is this path property that we got. This is an object here. So we have this path which we got, and we are passing it to this second post request that we are making, PDF to images. So now we now need to make this second post request, which is app.post PDF to images request response, and the path of the input path we will getting it using request.body.path. So we can get this using body parser. We do need to include these two middleware lines, express.url encoded extended to false and express.json. So these two middleware lines are very much necessary, guys, in order to get the part using request.body. And once you get the path, guys, we now need to also include one module, which is a built-in module, which is called as spawn. So with the help of this module, guys, you will be able to child process the built-in module. So you will be able to execute the commands programmatically in Node.js Express. We will use to call the Python script. We will say we will create an output folder dynamically date.now and this output images, and also the zip file name. So this will also date.now and output images zip. And here, guys, you will say that we will now be using the spawn module. We will create a process which is Python process. We will call spawn, and here we will say Python and then the arguments that you will provide, guys. So here we will provide the first argument, which is actual Python script that we will call. So the Python script name is app.py, so you can name it as anything. And then the second argument is the actual PDF file. Input path, it is present, so we will pass it input path, and then we will pass it as output folder and zip file name. And that's all, guys. So we are providing three arguments. So now we need to modify the Python script that we written. So we can do it using system.argv 0, sorry 1, 2, and then system argv 3. So we have made this Python script dynamic, guys. So now we need to pass arguments in order to run this Python script. So we are essentially doing the same right here. This Python process, guys, this has various events out there. So whenever the Python script is over, this automatically will trigger, which is exit event. Now we can basically say if code is equal to 0, in that case, the Python script is successful. So in this case, we can return out the path, a path property, which is a zip file name. You will see we are returning this zip file, which is created by the Python script. If it is not successful, in that case, we will return out a error by status code of 500, like error conversion failed. That's all. So this is actually, guys, and now if you run the application, what will happen? So if you select, so now you can see cannot get slash download. So we have made this download request, guys. If you closely look, we got the data. Let me for now just uncomment this just to get if it is working or not. Just so if you just check the console, guys, now you will see we have got the object here, the path of the zip file. This is the actual zip file that we got. Now we just need to download it as an attachment. So for this, we are using this code here, window location.href. We are making a download get request and we are passing this path here. And then we are resetting the values, the progress bar and the button text value. That's all, and undisabling the button. So now we just need to make this download request, guys. So which will actually download the file for us. So request response. We can get using request.query.path. And now to download this, we just need to say full path.join method we have, and dir name path output. So we can use the response.download method of Express to actually download the file. So this will actually download the file as an attachment, guys. So if you just refresh now your application, select the PDF document. So now your PDF zip file will be downloaded, guys. It will contain only this first image because only one image is, sorry, one page is there in the PDF document. If you open it, there is only one page is there. You will see that. So it is taken the screenshot. If I take the second file here, which contain two pages, so now you will see it will create two images, two PNG images. Page one, this is the first page. This is the second page. So this was the overall tutorial, guys. If you need this tool, the link is given. You can directly purchase the full source code. You will get this directory structure after this, and full instructions will also be given how to deploy this tool, and you will get support from me. And you can check out the live demo before you purchase it. The link is given at my website freemediatools.com/pdf2images. You can check out this tool first of all before purchasing it. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next tutorial.